The lever knob fits onto the end of your mower's wheel adjusters. The black knob slides over the thin metal adjuster. The knobs make it easier to move the adjuster. Over time, the knob will strike against shrubs or other obstacles around the yard, which can cause it to break off. Replacing the lever knob is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old knob from the wheel adjuster. To remove the knob, I'll take a screwdriver and pry the plastic tab away from the adjuster. Then I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to help me slide the knob away from the adjuster. To install the new knob, I align it with the adjuster so the tab is on the back side. And then slide it into place until the tab locks. And that's how simple it is to install a new lever knob on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.